face like a summer day. 1,000 pardons if I ever act some type of way. We stopped and started, but I guess that's how it goes. And life's a garden, so expect a couple hoes. Just so you know, I don't feel the way they feel. I wanna be with you, but I wanna keep it real. And ignorance is bliss, and I've seen some brighter days. Depression is impressive, and to me, right away. So what I say, that means knowledge is a gift. Meek Millie with his bachelor's, there's college to this shit. Psychology's a bitch, reverse it and I hate you. If we do it while we're talking, then why would I ever date you? But I'm feeling spry, and I'm not your average guy. I'm playing off my name, either way I'll make a line. Tell you not to cross it, that your eyes are like a faucet. If we ever share the feeling, then it's clear we probably
I've seen so many girls out and around the world. They don't compare with you. They don't compare with you. I've traveled far and wide, although they call my eye. They don't compare with you. They don't compare with you.
I miss your face like a summer day. I miss your breath like somebody took my own away. And when the day's done, you just want affection. I just want success, I'm a sucker for attention. I can't lie, I can see you as a bride. Music is my pride, I wish we met later in time. I try to bide in time, but that's like dividing legs. It's working when it's working, but it fucks you in the end. But that's life, I mean everything is late. I know you need a mail like you wanna save the date. But what's a rush? What's a title to a touch? What's a word without the meaning? What's the pain without a brush? What's the hurt without the joy? What's the love without the hate? What's the moon without the clouds? What's the sun without the rain? What's the world without the love? What's the love without the trust? What am I without you? What's a life without us?
So many girls.
That was it right there.